An essay on the topic of my favorite bird, peacock. There are many beautiful birds in the world. Peacock is my favorite among these birds because peacock looks attractive due to the colorful feathers. Peacock lives in gardens around rivers and forests. Peacocks are found in the countries like India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and Africa. Peacock is wonderful bird. Its long and colorful feathers look very beautiful. His neck is high and blue. The beautiful crest on his head looks like crown. Peacock is the national bird of India. Peacocks are the friends of farmer. Peacock eats snakes, frogs, rats, and peacocks protects the field crops from the rats. Peacock is one of the most beautiful bird on the earth. Peacocks are generally blue in color with mixture of blue, green, gold on their wings. In the rainy season, seeking the dark clouds in the sky, peacock spreads his wing and dances happily. Peacocks can fly as high as some branches, but cannot fly in the sky. Peacock is the vehicle of Saraswati, the goddess of learning.